Hello and welcome to the ProjectSight training tutorial. My name is Ben Scogan. I'm the product manager for ProjectSight's mobile app. And today we're going to be walking through a list of videos showing you how to install ProjectSight's new mobile app and get logged in and get started working in the field using ProjectSight. So what I'm going to do is, starting right from my phone's home screen, I'm going to tap the App Store icon on the bottom left corner, as you see there in the blue square. I'm going to bring up my App Store, and this is on iOS, but your workflow will be the same on Android. You'll just go to the Play Store on your Android device as well. Same idea there. And in the search, I'm going to search for ProjectSight. Tap on ProjectSight, and it's going to bring up the white app. This is what we're calling our new app, ProjectSight. You can see if you got the cloud icon, it might say Get, it might say Open if you already have it installed. But this is how you get to the app in the app stores, and that's what it's called. So once I have that installed, I can open the app, and it will bring me to the sign-in page. So I'm going to use the same credentials that I used to sign into the Legacy Blue app, our older app, to sign into the new app here as well. So I just tap on the sign in button, and it brings me up to my Trimble ID page. It's important to note that you're not going to use the social sign-in buttons at the bottom. You're going to use your email up top. So I'm going to go up there and type in my email. And once I've got my email typed in, hit next. And depending on whether I have multi-factor authentication or not, it might ask me to double verify based on whatever system you have in place through your IT group. I've already gone ahead and done that. So now what happens is it brings me into the project screen where I have the ability to download projects, manage the settings for those projects, free up space. We'll go into more of that in the next video, but hopefully this gave you a chance to get the new app installed on your mobile device. It's important to mention that this works for Android phone, Android tablet, and iOS phone and iOS tablet. We do have minimum supported operating system versions for iOS. You need at least iOS 15 or higher. And on Android, you need at least Android 12 or higher. So next we'll go into how to download a project and manage your space and get started working in ProjectSight.